Finally, our last step is to make a PNG. Okay, is a PNG of this thing, right? So how are we going to add a PNG to this, right? How are we going to create this to a PNG? First off, we have the Photoshop file, which is great, that we can go in and re-edit all that we want, right? So to make a PNG, what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Save As, right? And then under Format here, we're going to click this open, and we can now go down here to a PNG. There's all these other things. We can do TIFFs and Targas and such, right? We can do JPEGs, but what we want to do is do a PNG because this is a large format, which is good. Okay, it's going to go in the same place I'm saving it. I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to have some options here, and this is what we want to do. We just want to go with the default, which is just large file size, right? So we're going to hit OK, and it's going to take a second to save it all, right? Depending upon your computer speed. I have a Mac Pro, so it's pretty quick. So anyway, I now have the PNG saved, right? So that if I go in here, right, I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and I'm going to close this out, and if I go into 1610, which is right here, I now have the PNG and the Photoshop, and these are the two items that I am going to turn in. All right, so this is how we complete this project. Okay, let the PLA or me know if you have any questions, and we will work with you. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.